Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Oppo F15. Before the start of the video, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Oppo will release its Oppo F15 in the near future. In the recent past, the company released many popular handsets. Now it seems that the launch is near and Oppo F15 will be surfaced very soon. The other variant of the handset is F11, recently launched. The specifications are quite impressive, but the most important thing about the handset is its heavy battery. Oppo F15 will use Android 9.0 Pie out of the box for the booting. The chipset that will be used in the handset is MediaTek Helio P22. This is one of the best chipset for the mid-range handsets. Oppo F15 going to feature a 6.35 inches IPS LCD display screen that will be able to support Full HD Plus resolution of 720 by 1544 pixels. The system will be paired with a 6GB of RAM, while Oppo will make it sure that the consumer must get F15 with ample storage. That is why the handset will equipped with 128GB of internal storage. This is a huge amount of storage to store a lot of data, but F15 by Oppo also support a micro SSD card that will give you an option of storing data for a long time. The internal storage and expandable storage of the handset solve the storage problems. The screen of the F15 will be bezel-less. Reason is its pop-up cameras. As far as the rear camera setup is concerned, so the back cameras of Oppo F15 will be house a triple rear camera setup. The main sensor will be 48 megapixel. Secondary sensor will be 8 megapixel, while the third sensor will be 2 megapixel. If we look at the front cameras, they will be 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. F15 by Oppo is fueled with a monster battery setup of 5000 mAh capacity. This is massive power that will keep you on toes while fully charged. The company seems to create its amazing and different handsets in order to earn good reputation by producing high quality mobile phones.